Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Utsula Safana Azka with name 632412228 class 63 1A and 13. So, on this occasion, I would like to talk about smoking on campus area. Campus is a place where we learn, interact, and develop ourselves. So, a healthy, clean, and comfortable environment is very important for us to maintain together. Of course, it is not unusual for us to see many young people smoking around us. Nowadays, smoking is no longer a lifestyle, but has become a primary need that is almost on par with food and drink. We often hear sentences expressed by smokers such as, after eating, if you don't smoke, your mouth feels bitter. Not eating is better than not smoke, and many more. This shows how cigarettes have become equal to basic human needs. However, smoking in the campus area is not a wise thing to do. The campus is not only a place for us, the students, the college, but also for lecturers, education staffs, and anyone else who does activities here. The air polluted by cigarette smoke can disrupt the health and comfort of many people, especially those who don't smoke. Talking about the impact caused by cigarette smoke in health by people around us, let's look at the results of research conducted by the EPA. Okay, so research conducted by the EPA resulted in the conclusion that out of 30 women, 24 of them were at high risk of developing lung cancer if their husbands smoked cigarettes. Well, so the impact is not only affected by the smoker, but can also have an impact on the environment around it. At Safana Informatica University, smoking in all campus areas is not allowed. This policy is made to keep the air on campus clean so that our learning environment is conducive, and so that everyone feels comfortable being here. Cigarette smoke contains harmful substances such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide, which can harm health not only for smokers, but also for those who are passive smokers. As you can imagine, if smoking is allowed on campus, the air will be filled with smoke, which can make the campus feel claustrophobic and uncomfortable. Not to mention, we will often see cigarette butts scattered around, which makes the campus look dirty and uncomfortable. This certainly reduces the comfort and beauty of our campus. However, for friends who are active smokers, it doesn't mean you can smoke at all. Smoke in the place provided or outside the campus environment. Let us respect and understand this rule so that we can jointly create a comfortable campus atmosphere for all. By complying with this no smoking rule on campus, we contribute to the health of ourselves and others, and keep the campus environment clean. Let us together realize a clean, healthy, and friendly campus for everyone. Let's show that you are smart, wise, obedient, and healthy students who can be emulated by the community. Smoke-free, healthy generation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Utsula Safana Azka with name 6324122 class 63 1A and 13. So today I'm going to talk about simple present tense. Okay, so simple present tense. First, here there are points of discussion, namely definition, characteristics, function, formula, pattern, examples, and adverb of frequency. Next, definition. The simple present tense is a tense that is used to express daily activities or routines, general facts or truths, or can also be used when we describe something. Next, characteristics. 1. The predicate in a simple present tense sentence is in the form of a bare infinitive. 2. If there is a question sentence in the form of a verbal sentence, then the word do or does must be added. Then a subject must be added. Meanwhile, nonverbal sentences begin with to be, are, is. 3. In a simple present tense sentence with a negative form, you need to add the words do not, don't, or does not, doesn't. If there is a verb that ends in as, is, it must be omitted. Next, functions. 1. Express emotions or feelings. Therefore, when you want to express your expressions and feelings through sentences, you can use the simple present tense. Number 2, command or instructions. Okay, so we often see an order or instructions using simple present tense. Number 3, the scheduled event. The next simple present tense sentence function is to express an event that will be held in the near future. Number 4, general truth. General truth. The simple present tense sentence also has a function to express a truth that is around us. 5. Repeated actions. The last simple present tense sentence function is to show activities or activities carried out in daily activities. Okay, next. Formula. Verbal simple present. A verb sentence is a sentence that states an action or treatment, so the predicate is in the form of a verb. Next, verbal simple present. 1. Rules for adding s or as endings to verbs. Verbs ending in the letter y. If the letter before y is a vowel, add s. Example: play, plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Stay, stays. So add s. Next, if the letter before y is a consonant, change y to is. Examples: reply, replies. Apply, applies. Deny, denies. Verbs ending in o, ch, sh, x, and z add s. Examples: do, does. Teach, teaches. Finish, finishes. Mix, mixes. Buzz, buzzes. Okay, so number 2, usage of do and does in sentence. Do is used with the subjects I, you, they, we. Does is used with the subjects he, she, it. Next, following the simple present tense with verbal structures. 1. We walk to the park every morning. He plays soccer on the weekends. My sister works in hospital. They don't eat breakfast early. Does she like reading books? Next, nominal simple present. Noun sentences are sentences that express objects. They can be names of people, professions, place, and all things that are objects, so the predicate is in the form of to be is, are. To be is used for subject I. To be is used for subject I. To be is used for subject I. To be is used for the subjects he, she, it. To be is used for the subjects he, she, it. To be are used for the subject I, you, they, we. To be are used for the subject I, you, they, we. Examples: 1. I am a student. 2. He is my friend. 3. They are in the library. Next, pattern. First person is the first person point of view. In this case, designating the speaker or writer. Let's see. Pronouns: I, subject, me, my, mine. Object and possession. Examples: I am a student at the Bina Sarana Informatika University. My brother called me yesterday. This book is mine. 2. The pronouns used for first person plural are we if it is the subject, us if it is the object, and our or ours if it shows ownership. However, us and our or ours both mean we and us, so to know which one to use, you have to know the context of the sentence first. Okay, so for first person plural, pronouns we, subject, us, object, our or ours, possession. Examples: we traveled to Bali last summer. Can you help us with the project? This is our house. Next, second person. Second person is the point of view of the second person or the person we are talking to. Pronouns used in second person. Let's see. Pronouns you, subject, your or yours, possession. Examples: you should try this new restaurant. 2. Is this your backpack? 4. Pronouns used in third person singular are he, she, it. The situation that occurs is when we talk about someone who is not present among us. Let's see. Pronouns he or she or it. Subject: him or her. Object: his or her possession. Examples: he plays football every Saturday. Can you give her the message? This is his laptop. Third person plural. Pronouns used in the third person plural are they, them, their. The situation occurs when talking about more than one person, two or more people who are not present among us. Let's see. Pronouns they, subject, them, object, their or theirs, possession. Examples: they are planning a vacation together. I saw them at the mall yesterday. Their team won the championship. Next, adverb of frequency. In recognizing a simple present tense, it can be seen from the time statement, because simple present tense is a sentence that shows repetitive events and general truths. The time adverbs commonly used in simple present tense are as follows. Let's see. Always, usually, sometimes, often, seldom, never, 3 times a day, 3 days a week, once a month, every day, every month. Okay, next examples. Simple present tense positive. Examples: 1. They play soccer. 2. He enjoys reading novels. 3. We travel to the beach every summer. Next, simple present tense negative. Okay, examples. 1. They do not play soccer. Do not. Simple present tense negative. Okay, next. Number 2. He does not enjoy reading novels. He does not enjoy reading novels. Number 3. We do not travel to the beach every summer. Okay, got it, guys? Next, simple present interrogative. 1. Do they play soccer? Do they play soccer? Interrogative. Number 2. Does he enjoy reading novels? Does he enjoy reading novels? Number 3. Do we travel to the beach every summer? Do we travel to the beach every summer? Okay. Next. Okay. Tags. Okay, next. Not Hanifa. A, I, B, you, C, he, D, she. Okay. So, is a to be that pairs with the subject I. So the correct answer to complete the sentence is a I. I am not Hanifa. Okay, next. They for 3 hours every night. A. Study. B. Doesn't study. C. Studies. D. Is studying. Okay, so the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Subject I or you, we, they positive verbs are not followed by s or s. Subject he, she, it a positive sentence verb followed by s or s. They is the subject and the verb is not followed by s or s. Then the correct answer is study. They study for 3 hours every night. Okay, next. Most animals only for food. A. Kill. B. Kills. C. Kills. D. Killed. Okay, so this sentence states a general truth that most animals kill just to get food. So this sentence is written in present tense. The correct verb for the subject, most animals, is kill. So the answer is most animals kill only for food. Okay, next. 4. Ning Ning, you know where my dictionary is? Giselle, sorry, I don't know where it is. The answer for number 1 is okay. So to form an interrogative sentence in the simple present tense pattern, we use do or does. The correct auxiliary verb for the subject you is do. So the answer is do. Ning Ning, do you know where my dictionary is? Giselle, sorry, I don't know where it is. Okay, next. Wow, it turns out that we are already at the end of the discussion. Thank you for watching my explanation. I apologize if there is a mention error. Thank you and goodbye.